Priority or seniority table. Children, whenever we write IUPAC, name of organic molecule which contains more than one functional group, then it becomes difficult to us to which one we have to give priority and how to name. So children, first of all, let us understand what does priority mean. Priority mean that there are some points. Functional group, the functional group which will come first in priority table, which comes first in priority table will be used as suffix. Okay, will be used as a suffix and others will be used as prefix. First point you have to remember, if any functional group which comes first in priority table, then you have to use that one as a suffix and others will be used as a prefix. Next one point, prior functional group should get lesser number while selecting parents in. Whenever you do numbering at parents end, then you have to choose the side from where main functional group, prior functional group get lesser number. Third one point is, name of prefix is always written in alphabetic order. Whenever you write name, IUPAC name, then always use alphabetic order. Okay, so let us start now. This is priority table and it is arranged in decreasing order. Okay, so first prior functional group is carboxylic acid. Prefix is used carboxy and suffix is oic acid. Next one is sulfonic acid, sulfo prefix and suffix sulfonic acid. Next one is, this is ester group and prefix, as a prefix it is used alkoxycarbonyl and suffix oit. This is acyl halide and as a prefix it is used halocarbonyl and as a suffix oil halide. Next one is carbamyl, it is amide. Okay, so as a prefix it is used carbamyl and as a suffix it is used amide. Cyanide, okay, it is used as a cyano prefix and as a suffix nitrile. This is aldehyde group. Whenever you use this as a prefix, you use oxo or formyl. Children, when you write formyl, then functional group of aldehyde is not counted in parent chain. When you write oxo, then functional group of aldehyde is counted in parent chain. Okay, and suffix is al. Next one is keto. Ketone, as a prefix it is used keto or oxo, as a suffix is on. Hydroxy, this is alcohol, as a prefix hydroxy, as a suffix ol. Next one is amine, okay, as a prefix amino and as a suffix is amine. Children, here is given double bond and triple bond. Priority we have to give double bond. Okay, means when double bond and triple bond are present at same distance, then we have to give priority to the double bond. Okay, otherwise during when we write, then we have to use alphabetic order only. So numbering you have to start from the side where double bond is closer. Okay, so children, some groups are there which are used always as a prefix. These are some groups. Substituent groups. Okay, alkyl group, you know alkyl, okay, like CH3, methyl, C2H5, ethyl, C3H7, propyl. Okay, so these are alkyl group. R means alkyl group. They always used as a prefix. Next one is phenyl group. Children, C6H5, when benzene ring is used as a prefix, then we use phenyl or aryl. Sometime at the place of C6H5, PH is written. What is written? PH. So this is the abbreviation of phenyl. Okay. Next one is halo. X represents halogen. So halo. If fluorine is attached, then we use fluoro. If chlorine is attached, then we use chloro. If bromine is attached, then we use bromo. If iodine is attached, then we use iodo. Next one is OR. This is ether group, children. Like carbon, here carbon, oxygen and alkyl group. So we use alkoxy for this one. Like OCH3, then we use methoxy. OC2H5, then we use ethoxy. OC3H7, then we use propaxy. If OC4H9, then we use butaxy. Okay, in same way we use. Okay, so now let us take one examples, then we will understand it. So children, this one is an example. In this compound you are seeing many functional groups are present. Like this one is carboxylic group. Okay, this one is aldehyde group, and this is nitro group, this is alcohol group, this is ketone group, and this is methyl group. But see, in priority table you will see which one comes first, carboxylic acid. Okay, so this one we have to give priority. So I am writing. So we have to start numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 carbons chain you made. Now others functional, only this one functional group will be used as a suffix, others will be used as a prefix. So here this one, for this one you will use formyl, this is nitro, OH hydroxy, oxo, methyl. But when you write, you have to write alphabetically. So F, H, M, N, O. So F comes first, so I will write 2 formyl, then 4 hydroxy, then methyl or nitro, which comes first, M comes first, then 4 methyl, then 3 nitro, 5 oxo. How many carbon? 6 carbon. Hex, carbon to carbon single bond is present, then ene. E will be not written because secondary suffix is starting from O. So oic acid. For carboxylic acid, secondary suffix is oic acid. So this will be name. Thank you, children.